very good friend, one of my best friends, and one of the original founders of the 10th Congressional District Democrats, Nancy Blatt, who was our Volunteer of the Year last year. It's really great to have all of these wonderful candidates here, and for the 10th Dems to be celebrating all of you. It's nice to see a lot of new faces as well as some old faces, and those of you who are new to us for the first time, we hope you'll be back again. We'll be passing out some information on some of our 10th Dems University events that are going to be coming up. We have Aaron Freeman on the 30th.
At the Deerfield Public Library.
At the Deerfield Public Library, and Scott Turow, May 14th at the Highland Park Country Club.
Yes.
Those are evening meetings and they should be fun, and they're also free. As Lauren said, I'm one of the founding members of 10th Dems, and we came about in 2003, late summer, early fall. Lauren, Marcy Naller, and Steve Satan, who's not here, kind of got together, talked about finding an organization or putting together a democratic organization for the congressional district. Lauren found, and we who had worked on her congressional campaign, found that there really wasn't a concrete group of people that we could count on as volunteers for a congressional campaign. And we started talking about it, and on through the fall and the winter, and then people began to get more and more concerned and upset about the war in Iraq. And two of the peace groups, the North Shore Women for Peace and the North Shore Peace Initiative,
And the Northbrook Peace Group.
the North Shore Peace Initiative in Northbrook, came to Lauren and came to us and said that they really were looking to have a meeting, concerned about the war, but also concerned about our next congressional candidate. And Lauren said, well, fine, we'll get together a meeting. We had she and Hank Parrott, who was our prior 10th Congressional District candidate, kind of co-chaired this event, or were the panelists. And I would say there were at least 100 people there, maybe more. Most of these, again, concerned about the war. And concerned about the fact that Democrats, they felt, weren't doing anything. And so Lauren said to them, all of you, how many people here are Democrats? And most of them raised their hand. She said, fine, what are you doing? And afterwards asked people who were interested in getting involved to come in the back and sign up, because this group wasn't going to give us their sign-up sheets. And so we were getting the names anyway. And out of that, there were about 50 people who came to Lauren. And out about that, we had a meeting at my house, and maybe there were 25 people there. And I thought this is really interesting because it was before the primary, and we had Kerry supporters, and we had Dean supporters, and Edward supporters. And I figured, once the primary is over, these people are all going to disappear. Well, they didn't. And some of them, like John Rovich, are still here. So from that small group to a bigger group, we have formed where we have thousands of volunteers, thousands who are on our email list, thousands who get our newsletter each month, and hopefully those of you who have not been members will get a chance to sign up tonight and become part of this group, because it's really a pretty exciting group.